Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Wednesday so far. Today we're going to look at a 2022 Ram 2500 Tradesman and a white metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first things you'll take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. Moving right below that, you'll see that it also comes with running LED fog lights. You'll see that beautiful black trim around there as well. As we make our way here to the right, you'll see those beautiful tow hooks for all of your towing conveniences. Coming up above that, you'll see that beautiful black row insert along with that patented beautiful Ram logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now here are a couple of things on the exterior to be mentioned before we show you guys this beautiful interior. Here on your mirrors, you will have turn signal indicators on the back. And on the front, they will be heated, so don't ever worry about them getting frosty in the wintertime. Not to mention running boards for your added convenience of getting in and out of the vehicle. But while we're over here, let's go ahead and open it up and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful gray leather premium interior. And as we turn around here to the dash, you'll see that beautiful black dash finish. But while we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific Ram Tradesman, your left and right front tires will be 11 and 32 seconds, with your left and right rear being 13 and 32 seconds. Your brakes in the front will be 17 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes also being 17 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat, that beautiful premium leather gray interior will stay consistent. Making our way to the rear now, a couple of things to mention back here as well. There will be a hitch and receiver for all of your hauling needs. Not to mention, you won't ever have to worry about backing up in anything with these parking sensors, as well as the beautiful backup camera. While we're back here, let's go ahead and open up this tailgate for you guys. Now, this does come with a beautiful bed cover. We're going to go ahead and open this top cap up. Dropping the tailgate for you guys. It is an automatic drop. There you go. And as you can see, it does come with a beautiful bed liner as well. One of the drop-in bed liners. Not to mention your typical hooks back here for strapping anything down that you possibly can haul back here. And as well as a 400 watt outlet there as well. Moving now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up there on your middle display and your driver display. And you also notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 13,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, down below, you will have all of your headlight adjustments as well as the brightness to your driver display. The left now behind your steering wheel are going to be your windshield wiper adjustments as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. Here on the left side of your steering wheel, you'll have your touch to talk as well as your middle display options. And on the right side, you have all of your cruise control options. Coming here over into the middle, you're going to have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, a backup camera. Now, if you don't want to use the touchscreen display, you will have manual options here on the left and right as well. Up above, you will have a small storage compartment with a 12-volt plug-in. Coming below that touchscreen display, you'll have all of the climate control at the touch of your fingertips. Not to mention some other options down here for towing, hauling, traction control, and the parking sensors. Coming here to the left, you'll see that beautiful shifter knob along with the option to change from four-wheel drive to two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive low. Down below, you're going to have a storage compartment with a, on the right side, you're going to have a 400 watt outlet there. And on the left side here, you'll have that auxiliary line in, accompanied by 2 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports. Down here below, you're going to have some more storage, 3 cup holders, and a large center console with a coin holder. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top, you will have a sunglass holder, as well as lighting options for both the driver and passenger. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 6.4 liter V8F OHV 16V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bay is coming extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips, and like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. However, as we make our way around the rest of this vehicle, there is hardly any scratches, no marks, no dings. As you can see, this front passenger's tire is in great condition, no curb rash on that. Coming back here along the body, once again, you can see that there are no scratches, no marks, no dings. Coming back here along the bed portion of it, once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings. As you can see, this rear tire is also in very good condition, no curb rash on that. Coming around here to the rear, being a 2022, typically all used vehicles would have some typical trunk scratches. However, as you can see, this one is in great condition. Making our way down the driver's side of the body, once again, as you can see here on the bed portion of the vehicle, no scratches, no marks, no dings on that. Here's that rear driver's side tire. Once again, no curb rash on that as well. Coming down along the body, no scratches, no marks, no dings. This is a beautiful and very well maintained 2022. This vehicle is in immaculate condition, guys. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2022 Ram 2500 Tradesman. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, please hit that like and subscribe.